Hi everyone, welcome to Plate Perfect, Cooking Made Easy. Today I'm so excited to show you how to make a super quick recipe, 5 minutes prawns masala fry. Just as the name suggests, you can put this together in just 5 minutes. A no stress, no sweat recipe and yet super delicious. Before we start, let me take you through the ingredients. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 cloves of garlic which I have finely chopped, 3 green chilies cut into medium pieces, few fresh curry leaves, one tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and the main ingredient of this dish, prawns. I have taken 1 kg of prawns. I have removed the shells, deveined it and cleaned it very well. The measurements of ingredients which are shown here will give you a mild spicy flavor. You can alter the chilies and the red chili powder as per your taste. So let's get started. In a bowl, add the prawns. To it, add turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, pepper powder, ginger garlic paste, corn flour, salt for seasoning, lime juice, and bring it all together by mixing everything very well. Make sure all the ingredients are very well combined and coat evenly on the prawns. By adding the corn flour, it will help all the spices and ingredients to stick very well to the prawns. Now take a wide flat pan and add enough oil to shallow fry all the prawns evenly. Once the oil is heated up, place the marinated prawns one by one in the pan. Add the curry leaves and the green chilies. After about 2 or 3 minutes, flip the prawns to the other side and allow it to cook. Prawns have been cooking for a minute or two. Now let's add the chopped garlic. We are not going to brown the garlic, rather only allow it to soften while the prawns are cooking. Adding chopped garlic brings out a lovely flavor to this dish. Mix everything very well. Prawns don't need much time for cooking. Do not be tempted to overcook the prawns, or else you will have a rubbery texture, and that's not very pleasant to eat. Mix everything very well to make sure that all the spices coat evenly on the prawns. This is my go-to recipe on days when I'm pressed for time. There is absolutely nothing complicated about this dish. The ingredients are very simple and readily available in our kitchens. The method of cooking is so easy, and the fun part is it gets ready in few minutes with absolutely no compromise on the taste factor. You can serve this dish with steamed rice or as a side dish with vegetable pulav or chapati. Do try making this 5 minutes prawns masala fry. A plate perfect delicious treat. Enjoy cooking made easy. Bye for now.